Want to know how to make this for your brand in under 10 minutes? First, download Blender 3.6 if you don't have it already. Then go to coreblanks.com, choose your garment and animation, and click Purchase. Now unzip your file and check out your diffuse texture. Then open it in Photopea or Photoshop if you have it, and make sure you accept the terms and conditions. Now, drag in your diffuse texture and it should appear on your screen. With this hoodie, we're going for a cream color. So select the color picker and select the color that you're looking for. Then head over to the paint bucket tool and start filling in the pieces. After this, we're going to drag in your logo and resize it to fit. Decide where on the hoodie at this point you want it to be, whether it's the front, the back, or the sides. Then once you've completed this, we want to head over to File and export as a PNG. Once you've done this, you want to head over to the blend file that you downloaded. You'll find that under blend file, and you want to click in the top right. You'll see for a lower end PC you have the low poly, and for a higher end PC you have the high poly model. Now head over to shading and head over to the image texture, where you'll now select the diffuse texture you just exported. Now if you head up to the rendered view by clicking the little circle in the top right, you'll see your hoodie's done. Now all we have to do is change the render settings. So click Render Settings, then click Edit, Preferences, System, and make sure that your GPU, if you have one, is ticked. And then make sure that on the device it's set to GPU Compute. Now head to the tab below and you have access to your resolution. Change it to 1080 by 1080 for Instagram, 1080 by 1920 for portrait, 1920 by 1080 for landscape. Also, make sure your frame rate is set at 30 frames per second, not 25. Now click your output and click the little file icon so then you can make sure that you're outputting to the correct file location. Here you want to decide your file format. PNG sequence, you'll need a video editing software to use. An FFmpeg video, you can just go straight into Instagram and save it onto your phone. Now you want to go up to render and render animation. And now just wait for a couple of hours and you're done. Hope you guys enjoy.